Yeah.
I mean, I just got whooping cough. And Joe, I literally thought I was going to die. I ended up at week 7. I called my internist and I was like, I think you need to check me in the fucking hospital. This is insane. I think I'm going to die. And they hit me with the horns. And the long story short is I am vaccinated for it, but I guess my vaccination or my booster is old. I don't even remember the last time I got it. My wife is vaccinated. My kids are vaccinated for it. My mom is vaccinated for it. Everybody in my circle is vaccinated. No one got it. I strongly recommend getting your DTaP vaccine because whooping cough, it was 100 days of it. So